Hello student, today we will learn science standard 5th. This is the cover page of your textbook Pearl standard 5th semester 1. So today we will learn chapter number 5. In the last video we had complete this chapter number 5, our skeletal system. Now today we will learn textbook and worksheet exercise. Get started. So first textbook exercise. So dear student, look at the page number 330, 231, 231. Okay, get started. So question number 1, tick the correct answers. The working of the internal organs of our body is controlled by this system. Answer. Correct option: reproductive, respiratory, circulatory, nervous. So correct answer, nervous. Now second, the joint allows the maximum movement. Ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, bleeding joint. So correct answer, ball and socket joint. Number 3, muscle are attached to the bone with fibers called bone marrow, ligament, tendons, ribs. Correct answer, tendons. Number 4, these muscles are under our control. Number 1, muscle attached to the eye, cardiac muscle attached to the skeleton. None of these. Correct answer, muscle attached to the skeleton. Question B, match the column. Number 1, vertebral column. Correct answer, spinal cord. Number 2, knee. Answer, hang joint. Number 3, rib cage, hearts and lungs. Number 4, skull. Correct answer, brain. Now question C, filling the blanks. Number 1, the human skeleton encloses and protects all the dash organs of the body. Answer, internal. Number 2, the vertebral column protect the delicate dash cord. Correct answer, spinal. Number 3, muscles which are not under our control are called dash muscles. Involuntary. Number 4, the dash are the strong tissue which hold the bones together. Ligaments. Number 5, the powerful dash bone bears the weight of the whole body. Correct answer, thigh or femur. Done. Now question number D, write short answers. What is a joint? Correct answer, a joint is the meeting point of two bones held together by strong tissue called ligaments. Number 2, name the different kind of movable joint in our body. Correct answer, there are 4 type of movable joint in our body. They are: number 1, hang joints, elbow, knee, finger and toes. Ball and socket joint, hip and shoulder. Pivot joint, between the skull and the first 2 vertebrae of the spine. And leading joint, wrist and ankle. Number 3, which part of the facial region is movable? How does it help us? The lower jaw is movable. It enables us to eat and talk. Number 4, what is a bone marrow? The long bone of skeleton are hollow and are filled with a soft, fatty substance called bone marrow. The long bone of the skeleton are hollow and are filled with a soft, fatty substance called bone marrow. Number 5, what are tendons? Muscles are attached to the bones by strong fibers called tendons. Muscles are attached to the bones by strong fibers called tendons. Done. Now question E. Answer these questions. Number 1, how is our skeleton useful to us? Answer. Our skeleton is a framework of bones. This framework of bones encloses and protects all the internal organs and gives support, strength, and shape to the body. Thus, our skeleton is useful to us. Number two, what is the difference between voluntary and involuntary muscle? Number two, voluntary muscles are under our control. For example, muscles attached to our skeleton are called voluntary muscle, whereas involuntary muscles are not under our control. For example, they control action like the movement of food in the alimentary canal, etc. Number three, how do muscle work? Muscle produce movement in the body by pulling on the bones. When a muscle contract, the bones come close to each other. When the knee bends, one muscle contract and gets shorter, whereas the other one relax. When the legs stretch, the relax happens. Now question 4. How can we keep our muscle in good shape? Correct answer. To keep the muscle in good shape, we must maintain a good posture while we sit or stand or walk. Okay. Now question 8. Think and answer. Imagine your neck joint to be a high joint. What kind of movement would you find very difficult to make? इमेजिन करना है कि अगर आपका नेक जॉइंट है वो हाई जॉइंट्स है तो क्या कैसे मूवेबल हो गए. So if our neck has a high joint, we can move or our head is only one direction, not in all like a sideway, upward, downward. Okay, अगर आपका जो नेक है वो हाई वो जॉइंट होगा तो वो ओनली वन डायरेक्शन में ही मूव करेगा, है ना. मतलब आपका हेड जो है वन ओनली वन डायरेक्शन, नॉट ऑल डायरेक्शन, है ना. नॉट इन ऑल डायरेक्शन, साइडवेज, अपवर्ड, डाउनवर्ड. Okay, now question 2. What disadvantage would you face if any backbone is made up of just one long bone? Answer. If the backbone was made up of just one long bone, we would not be able to bend or turn in any direction and move as we do. Okay, done. Textbook exercise done. Now today we will learn worksheet exercise. Now worksheet 1. Get started. Answer the following. How many bones are there in an adult human skeleton? Answer 206. Name the delicate organs protected by skull. Brain. Name each bone of the vertebral column. Vertebrae. What are the lowest two pair of ribs called? Floating ribs. The longest bone in our skeleton? Femur. Soft fatty substance inside the long bones of the skeleton? Bone marrow. Match the column. Bone and bone. Correct answer. Ligament. Wrist. Correct answer. Bleeding joint. Muscle and bone. Correct answer. Tendon. Cardiac. Correct answer. Heart. And elbow. Correct answer. Hip joint. Now question C. Answer this question. Which is a better machine, your body or your computer, and why? Our body is better machine as we can do more thing and different thing than the computer. Okay, हमारी बॉडी यह क्या है, बेटर मशीन है कंप्यूटर से. नंबर 2. नेम द 4 मेन पार्ट ऑफ द skeleton. Name the main part: the skull, the backbone, the ribcage, and the limbs. Number 3. How do muscle work? Muscle produce movement in the body by pulling on the bones. When a muscle contract, the bones come close to each other. When the knee bends, one muscle contract and gets shorter, whereas the other one relax. Okay. Now worksheet 2. Our skeletal system. Number 1, question 1. Give one word answer. Number 1. The meeting point of two bones. Answer. Joint. Joint at the elbow and knee. Hip joint. Fibers attracting muscle to bone, tendons. Muscles under our control, voluntary. A kind of joint that allows one to nod his head, pivot. Question B. Write T for true and F for false. Number 1. Femur is the bone of the lowest leg. F. The soft fatty substance inside the backbone is called bone marrow. F. The muscle gives shape and support to our body. F. The backbone protects the spinal cord. T. The rib cage protects the urinary bladder. F. Now question C. Answer this question. How is the rib cage made up of? Answer. The rib cage is made up of 12 pair of bow-shaped ribs which form a cage. The ribs are delicate covered bones, curved bone that are joined to the backbone and the breastbone. Number 2. How are the limbs attached to the skeleton? Correct answer. The four limbs are joined to the spine with the help of the shoulder girdle. The bone of the legs are joined to the skeleton through the hip girdle. Number 3. Name the kind of muscle in our body. Correct answer. Voluntary, involuntary and cardiac. Okay. So done. Worksheet exercise done. So dear student, today we will learn chapter number 5. Our skeletal system. Textbook and worksheet exercise done. So dear student, today's homework. Textbook exercise, write down in your science notebook. It is your homework. Write down in your notebook. Okay. And worksheet exercise. Write down. It is your homework. Write down in your worksheet. Okay, student, understood? It is your homework. Thank you.